Well, today I'll be trimming my mesquite tree with this pole saw slash chainsaw. One of the things I like about it, it's so easy to set up, take apart, and store it. If I could change anything, I'd probably just buy one that's battery powered. Most of my tools are. I can use interchange batteries and so forth, but I don't use this that often, maybe once or twice per year. And you have the adapter here for the power connection. Now I'm wearing sweatpants and a sweatshirt because I'm often hit by branches. And so just to get a little bit of protection, I really should be wearing eye protection here. I think I did later on, but right now I didn't think about it. That eye protection is a must. And I've got this fully extended, so it's supposed to reach. See, that's what I mean. Sometimes well, there I was ready for it, so it missed me. I'm starting with the driveway because one of the things I hate about this mesquite tree, or most mesquite trees, is they shed what I just call it beans, bean pods, whatever. They start out green, and then they get to a lighter color, and they're all over the driveway, the street, and then the birds will sit there on the branches and do their thing on top of I have most of my daughter's car, but so a lot of the branches that I'm going to cut from this mesquite tree are going to come here on this side of the driveway here. There's some branches also that are kind of over the street. So when the garbage truck comes and it picks up the trash can, it always hits those branches, and then I have to do pickup. But the focus on this is right here on this side for now. And like I said, here it is. Boom. Now there's times where this thing is just lose my balance with it. Strength, I don't have the strength I used to have. So a few times that top part of it's hit the ground. Not that hard, so I haven't broken it yet. See, that one that one nicked me a little bit, but so again, I'm not telling you how to do it, because I don't want to be responsible if you do it the way I do it, but that's what I got so far. And as I go along, I take these to the street. We have a brush pickup. As I do this video right now, it's June the 1st. I'm doing the talk over the video. So it's been over, as I do this talk over, it's already June the 3rd. And the first day I spent about 2.5 hours, and it was around 91 degrees here in Brownsville. They don't want us to do the trimming or lay out the branches on the street too soon, because if there's a lot of rain, twigs, the leaves and so forth will run through the drain and clog it up. And they want us to do, say, 8 feet by 4 feet by 4, so 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, 4 feet high. Yeah, it's got to be a bit strong to. I still lift weights, but when you've got that much length, it's hard to control it sometimes. Okay, see there, that one hit the ground. I guess I got nervous because of the branch and I lost my focus. And now what I'm doing here is connecting the regular chainsaw. I removed the pole, and there I'm running it just to remove some of the debris that stays in there. And I've got the branches over here again. I did this for 2.5 hours. I don't have that much memory on my camera, so it only recorded 38 minutes, and I cut that down to whatever I had, 10 and a half, 11 minutes or so. And I had one problem with the branch that fell, and it got caught in the tree, and it was way up there. I didn't want to use a ladder. My wife was even out here trying to help me. She said, "I'll hold the ladder." I said, "There's no way. I'm not getting on that ladder." So I do the pickup here, try to set this up here. I should have mowed the lawn before this, though. I was thinking about that. We had a lot of rain. Actually, I just mowed it like a week ago, but because of the rain, it's just back. So you missed some of the good part because the camera wasn't recording, but I did have some issues because of the dehydration. So I had to quit early the first day. And this is what I picked up here. Probably a little bit more than what the guidelines are, but. And then this is the branch that I mentioned that was hanging there. Couldn't take it off. It got hooked right there. And I was too dehydrated to do anything, so I waited till the next day and actually wound up, I did get in the ladder to try to see it's hooked there with on a Y there. So that was there overnight. The next day, with the help of my wife, I went out there and finished it. You probably can't see the difference of some of the stuff that I took off here. Most of it was over here on the right side. And then I did some over here on the left side on the other tree that I didn't get on camera because the video's too long anyway. But there's the branch that was stuck. That's where I cut it off right there. But I did trim a lot over here from the left side, from this other tree right in here, that I didn't get on camera because I thought it was enough video. That this area right here, I need some more over here from the far right over here, the stuff all over the street. I might have to wait till the next pickup for that though. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.